Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are viewing for the first time, welcome. My name is Robin and today's video is going to be a clean with me, and I'm just doing light decorating throughout the kitchen. I am just going in and breaking down this floral arrangement I got for Mother's Day to kind of throw out the dead flowers that remained. I gradually broke down the bouquet and took out the stems that died and refreshed the arrangement. So I'm gonna break it down even further and put the remaining flowers in a smaller vase and do some touch-ups throughout the space. If you haven't already, please do hit the subscribe button and like the video. I am just filling up the little water vase with some water to again cut down a few flowers that are still nice and bloomed. And I am going to mop the floor last. I'm prepping my water, but I will mop the floor at the end. There was a little bit of residue left on this vase from a sticker that was on there. And you guys, what I did was use the alcohol pad to get that residue off, and it worked so well. And I just forget how well alcohol works for this type of thing. So that's what I did there. Went ahead and cleaned it up, and I'm going to just jump into getting this arrangement together and jump right into cleaning. So as you can see, the carnations are the flowers that lasted the longest. They are a really, really good flower to have in a bouquet. You'll always get a lasting experience with carnations. The color is very vibrant, and they are just a really hardy, easy to care for flower. So I am happy I get to enjoy them a little while longer. And now I've just worked my way into the family room, and I'm doing some light cleaning in here. I had already done the majority of my cleaning in this space last night. I am just going in with some spray away glass cleaner and cleaning off the tables, removing any fingerprints that may be on the glass. I've already fluffed my pillows, vacuumed the floor, so just giving it a light cleaning on the surface. And the main area I'll be working in today will be the kitchen. I just wanted to make sure the entire space was cohesive and all nice and clean. This is a open space. The kitchen goes into the dining room, into the family room, so one great space. So I just wanted everything to be nice and cohesive. I am loving the decor colors in this family room, and it is still spring, so I wanted to keep these light colors going a little while longer. That's the gold, blush, cream, and taupe. So really, really loving the color, and I just think it's the perfect color for this time of year. Alrighty, so now I'm back in the kitchen, giving the refrigerator a nice wipe down, getting the fingerprints off of the fridge, and then I'll work my way around cleaning off the countertops. I want to bring the attention to the counter chairs. They are so nice. I'm really loving these, and I picked them up at Wayfair. I did show them in a prior video. The video was basically talking about the difference in between bar stools and counter stools. So these are counter stools, and counter stools are a little shorter than bar stools. So it is so important to measure your counter or your island, wherever your chairs will be, to make sure you have the right height. Again, these are counter stools, and they fit perfectly underneath the island. I can push them in, and they do match the chairs at my table. The dining chairs do come as a set when you order them, and I ordered one set just to see how they would work in the space and also work with the table. This is a table that I refurbished. It was a brown table, really old looking table, and I made it look a bit more modern, so I'm so happy the way it came out. However, I am thinking about adding different legs to the bottom so that I can bring it up to be taller and the chairs can be pushed underneath. So I will be looking into buying some different legs to see how that looks. And I'm just giving you a view of the finished family room. It's all nice and clean, and I can work my way back to the kitchen. I'm just going to give this console table a quick wipe down. I will be putting a few little pieces on it in just a little bit. I think I'm going to put a cute little vignette over there and just keep it really clean and simple. But I did want to give it a nice wipe down before I jumped into decor pieces. So I am going to clean the kitchen a bit more, wiping down countertops and cleaning the sink and things like that. This black vase came from Target. It is by the Threshold brand, and I have two of them that I'll be using in this space. The florals came from Ross, and I picked these up over a year or so ago. I really love these. I also have them in white. They are very full and just really tall, and I really love this floral set. So now I am using two little fall plants that I picked up from Ross a little while ago. I wanted something that was short enough to fit underneath the cabinets, and I wanted to bring some greenery in here, so these were perfect. And I just placed it on a little marble dish to raise it up a bit, and I'm also using my little M rolling pin as a decor piece. So these bowls I picked up over at Home Goods, and they are for outdoor use. They are plastic, but they are so super cute. They are by the brand Rachel Zoe, and I'm just going to use them to create two place settings in front of these counter stools. There are some really cute outdoor dishes, cups, plates, saucers, and drinkware out for summer. So guys, be sure to pick you up a set. I am just going over to the console table and creating a cute little vignette. Here is the additional vase that I spoke about earlier, and I thought this was super cute and just very simple. I'm going to put a few pieces on the kitchen dining room table to finish up the look. This is my gold Michael Aram tray. That is my definite go-to. I just think it's a statement piece, and I really love using it in the space. So here's a better view of the Counter-Stools. I just wanted to show you guys the look of them. Very modern. They are comfortable and they are just a really cute modern look if that's what you like. These chairs are definitely a 5 out of 5, 10 out of 10. So I even left a review, and I don't leave reviews often, so I really like them, and I'll link them in the description. Okay, and here's a final look of the entire space. All right, and as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I will go in and mop the floor on my way out of the space so that I don't track any dirt when the floor is wet. Okay, so everything is all nice and clean. Here is a very good view of the open space. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please stay tuned for additional photos. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you on the next one.